Bird's Beauty.
Hello everyone, welcome in Bird's Beauty. Endangered birds face the imminent risk of extinction, often due to human activities, habitat loss, pollution, hunting, and climate change are some of the primary threats they encounter. Conservation efforts, such as habitat protection, captive breeding, and public awareness, are essential to safeguard these remarkable species from disappearing forever. Enjoying this content? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Here are 5 endangered bird species, with brief explanations of the reasons for their endangered status. Number 1. California Condor USA. Reason: habitat destruction and lead poisoning from ingesting spent lead ammunition have contributed to their critical endangerment. Number 2. Spoon-billed sandpiper, China and Russia. Reason: loss of crucial breeding and stopover habitats due to coastal development, and human disturbance has driven them to critical endangerment. Number 3. Great Indian bustard, India and Pakistan. Reason: habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, hunting, and collisions with power lines are major threats to their survival. Number 4. Philippine eagle from Philippines. Reason: deforestation, habitat loss, and hunting have significantly reduced their population, making them critically endangered. Number 5. Javan hawk eagle, Indonesia. Reason: their endangered status is primarily due to habitat loss and illegal trade in the exotic bird market. As we conclude this journey, thank you for joining us. If you found this video interesting, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. Until next time, take care and stay curious.
Bird's Beauty.